Hello smart people, Mr. H here. This is the last video for your final practice test. Yay! So we will begin at question number 26. The weekly salary in dollars for A employees of a small business are given below. Note that there are already order from least to greatest. So perfect, they already put all the numbers in order for you. Suppose that 689 salary changed to 721. Answer the following question. Okay, what happened to the mean? Alright, so what you can do is find the mean of the set and then replace 689 by 721 and then find the mean again and then see what happened to the mean. Mean is the average, right? So my prediction is it's going to be increased because you change 689 to 721. That's going to move the data up a couple 100. Okay, so the mean will change. The mean will be increased. If we don't believe that, I can find the find the mean and then see how much does it increase by. So for mean is the average. You're going to add them all up and divide it by the total number that you add up. So I will take 689 plus 729 plus 761, 766, 805, 815 plus 876 plus 911. I add them all up. I have 6,352 divided by the total amounts of number we add up, which is 8 numbers. So divide by 8. We will have the average is about 794. Now if I replace 689 by 721, okay, so let's go back. 721, same thing, add 729 at 761, 766, 805, 815, 876, and 911. Okay, so that will give you, I think I am mispunching this. Let me try it one more time. 729, 761, 766, 805, 815, 876, 911. Okay, that's what I missed. Okay, that is 6,384 divided by 8. Divided by 8. That is 798. So as you see that when you replace 689 by 721, the mean increased by 4. So the answer increasing by 4. Okay. Now what happened to the median? Median is the middle of the set. So 721, okay, and then 729. So if you replace 689 by 721, the order will stay the same. There's nothing changed with the set because 721 is still the least number in the set. So the median will stay the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The median will be right in the middle. You're going to add those two numbers and divide by 2 to find median. But in this case, it will stay the same because 721 didn't change the order of the set. It's still the least number. So everyone stay the same. Alright, number 27. Here the score of 11 students on science test. 57, 62, 62, 63, 65. So they already put the set in order from least to greatest. Give the find number summary and the interquartile range for the data set. So first they ask you for a minimum. Minimum is the smallest number in the set, which is 57. That is our min. Our minimum is 57. Then they ask you maximum, right? So that is the largest number in the set. So that will be max is 92. Median is the middle of the set. Okay, so median is middle. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the median of this set is 78. Now I said this before, and then I will repeat it. If there's two numbers in the middle, you're going to add them up and divide by 2. Alright, so median is 78. So they ask you lower quartile, which means the median of the lower set. Median of the lower set. Okay, so here is our lower set, which not includes 78, because we're to use 78 for the median. If there's two numbers in the middle, then it's split in half. Then that number still count at the lower and upper set. But in this case, it's right exactly at 78, so you're going to cross that out. The lower quartile median is 1, 2, 1, 2. The middle is 62. Same thing for the upper quartile. Upper quartile is the 85, 86, 86, 91, and 92. So the middle of the upper set is 86. Okay. Now interquartile range. So if it's the range itself, we know that it's min minus max. But if they involve interquartile, which means you use the max of the quartile minus min of the quartile. So which is the upper quartile is 86 minus minimum of quartile is 62. That will give you, I believe, 24. Yeah, 24. Alright, that's it for number 27. Number 28. Each license plate in a certain state has 5 characters with repeats allowed. Here are the possibilities for each character. So first character has digits is 1, 2, or 3. Second is the 26 letters. The third place is 26 letters. The fourth is 10 digits from 0 to 9, and the fifth digit is from 0 to 9. How many license plates are possible in this state? So as you say that if they say that the license plates have 5 placeholder, right? 5 characters, which means 5 placeholder. First place, you have digits 1, 2, or 3. So you have 3 choices for the first place. The second placeholder, second, you have 26 letters of alphabet. So 26 choices for the second place. And third is another 26 letters. So 26 choices for the third place. Fourth is 10 digits. So 10 choices for the fourth place. And last one is the fifth place. You have 10 digits. Okay, so to find a combination, all we have to do is multiply them up. 3 times 26 times 26 times 10 times 10. So there are 202,800 possible license plates. That's it. Number 29. A bag of 8 marbles has 4 yellow marbles and 4 blue marbles. Marble is chosen from the bag at random. What is probability that it is red? Okay, so to find probability is what you want, the favorite outcome, which is what you want, over the total possible outcome. Okay, so you want to pull out red marbles, but there's no red marbles here, so which means you want red, and there's 0 marbles. Out of the total outcome is 8, so the chance is going to be 0 chance to get a red marbles. That's it for number 29. Number 30. The age and years of 5 employees at the particular computer store are following: 45, 33, 30, 31, 31. Assuming that these ages continue entire population, find the standard deviation of the population and round your answer to 2 decimal places. Alright, so standard deviation, there's going to be 3 steps to find standard deviation. Step 1, you're going to find mean. Find mean of the set. Okay, we use the symbol that stands for mean. X with the bar on top is mean. So we have 45 plus 30 plus 30 plus 31 plus 31 divided by total employees is 5. 45 plus 30 plus 30 plus 31 plus 31. That will give us 167 divided by 5. Alright, so 167 divided by 5, that will give us 33.4. I think I miscalculation somewhere here. Let me try it again. 45 plus 30 plus 30 plus 31. Ah, I see my mistake. That will be 33 over here. Okay, see. So that will be 33 in one of them, and 31. So that is 170. That is my mistake. 170 divided by 5. So that will give us 34. So step 1, we're going to find the mean. Step 2, we're going to find the difference square. Find the difference square. Okay. Difference square. So which means that you're going to take the mean that you found earlier, subtract all the elements one by one from the original, and then square them. Okay. It looks complicated, but it's really easy. So here we go. We take the mean at 34 minus each element. So 34 minus the first element is 45, and then square them. 34 minus 45. 34 minus 45. That will give us negative 11 squared. Okay, so that will give you 121. That's it. And you repeat that for every single number. So 34 minus the next element is 33 squared. That will be 1 square, which is 1. The next one will be 34 minus 30 square. 34 minus 30 is 4 square, which is 16. Okay, next one is 34 minus 31 square. That will be 3 square, which is 9. And repeat it again for the next number, because you have 231 in there. 9. Alright. Alright, our next step is find the means of our different square. Find mean of these number. Okay, so which means that you're going to add them up. 121 plus 1 plus 16 plus 9 plus 9, and divide by the total is 5. So what is your mean? 121 plus 1 plus 16 plus 9 plus 9 divided by 5. So you have the answer is 31.2. Now last step, standard deviation. Standard deviation. They use the symbol, the Greek symbols like this. Okay, square. Standard deviation square equal to the mean, which is 31.2. To find the standard deviation, you're gonna do the square root to both sides. So standard deviation is square root of 31.2, which is 5.5856. We round it in 2 decimal places. So that will be standard deviation equal to 5.59 as the answer. Alright, that's it. That is the end of our review for final for Math 1. Good luck everyone. Do your ALEX as many times as you can before Monday. Okay, you have unlimited attempt and try as many questions as you can. Alright, thank you guys. Good luck.